Your team closes the work order. The machine goes back online. 2 weeks later, it fails again. Was the repair wrong? Was the diagnosis wrong? Most systems can't tell you. That's exactly why Augury and MaintainX partnered. And here's what it looks like. I'm Jordan Sprunger, Solution Architect for Integrations at Augury. When Augury detects a fault on one of your machines, the integration automatically creates a work order in MaintainX, pre-populated with the asset, the priority, and everything your technician needs to get the job done. Your tech shows up knowing what's wrong before they even start making the repair. No copy-pasting in multiple systems, no missed alerts. Your team works the order exactly how they normally would in MaintainX, and as they update status and add notes, those changes sync back into Augury automatically. But that's not where the loop closes. When your work order is closed in MaintainX, Augury doesn't just mark it done. Our algorithms and analysts review the live machine data to verify that your repair fixed the fault. If the machine is back to healthy, the repair is marked successful, and the asset returns to acceptable status. Your team resumes operations, knowing everything is running the way it should. And you've got a full history of the entire work order. If you're already on both platforms, talk to your Augury or MaintainX team to get the integration set up. No new systems, you're good to go. And if you're new to one of us, request a customized demo today to learn more.